time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
See what the reviews like the.
Well, it's one way, mate.
What's it called?
I don't know what you're doing.
Could I be fun?
Where are you going?
Like you're not there. Like
It's one way. I'm just going to sit here.
Could be NPC.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You fucking dickhead.
Like you're not level 10 yet.
It's one way, you fucking retard. There you go. There you go. I'll just park back in the spot that I was in. There you go.
You're a yard or you're a wanker, take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite? Denied! Ever a genius, James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing.
These unbeatable clearance deals. Now's your time to climb into the world's best-selling spa. You won't regret it. Only at 35 William Pickering Drive, Albany. On now, just 3.
Red. Fucking another red light runner. Fucking another one.
Is the sign up there?
Nice one, mate. Straight through a red light. Oh yeah, straight through a red.
哎呀，真精彩！学了一天习，晚上又学习，晚上喝完小酒继续学。
还吃完榴莲。
你可以边吃榴莲边改。我操！啊！啊！
这个车好惨。
嗯，有意思啊，有意思。好家伙！
You are stupid.
You're a first-class cunt.
You know, they're, I don't know what they call them, but yeah.
Assistance.
Yeah, sort of assistants, but I don't know where you think
You're going to go.
you're going to go. No one's letting her in.
What a fucking moron. Completely illegal. It's now road rage act.
Yeah. Oh, they're
Yeah.
going off now.
Yeah, they're going off at one another.
no reason why she couldn't have tucked in behind us.
Yeah, there was
Or
absolutely
him
none.
or
There was-
her or whatever it is.
Oh, there was a ton of room.
Ton of room, yeah.
Say my name.
I think that one will have to go to Scotty.
You're goddamn right.
Is Milan because of that, because of how they scored
Pair
this
of
goal,
fuckwits.
because Milan at their best have
Here's
shown
another
they can
bunch of
defend pretty well. They
fuckwits.
haven't conceded in the Champions League knockout rounds at all, of course, and I think it's got 5 games that game.
What in the fuck are you doing?
Wow.
You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Fuck you.
Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence.
I ain't got no No, not big cities.
If you can handle the way your girlfriend looks and how hot she looks in a bikini, then you're insecure. You're insecure. Your problem, not ours.
That's insecure. So
Your opinion's not going to change with girls.
all right, let me ask you something. Okay, so what's more secure?
You've done it now, Yanks.
What a fucking
Captured me.
You know. Talking about she got 40-inch legs and got heels. She's 3 strokes and still trying to be fine.
Whoa, what a dick.
What the French toast? Talking about a man to bring to the table, and you're on every bit of government assistance. $2,000 a month in California, you are broke.
Fuck. In the Mercedes. We're in a left turn only lane, clearly marked, unbroken line between the lanes, but he's going to go straight and cut everyone off. Fucking wanker. Look at him.
How far? Whoa, fuck. Wow. Oh, Jesus.
$14 great big dump trucks.